So hello and welcome to this next phase of the book Speed. So this next phase I want to teach you around declaration, and one of the things that we need to understand is declaration is very powerful, and we need to separate declarations that we do in ourselves to just picking any verse around the Bible, because the Bible is not a list of declarations. If it were a list of declarations, then some of the verses, like for example Obadiah 1:2, which says, "Behold, I will make you small among nations. You shall be utterly despised, and you will not want to declare that over your life." Verses like Psalm 88:6, which says, "You have put me in the lowest pit, in the darkest depth." You wouldn't want to declare that. So declaration is based on the context that you are in at that particular time, and of course the belief that you have in just moving from one level to another. And that's why from a declaration perspective is you have to be very clear in terms of the context that you're declaring over your life. For example, if you look at verses like, if you're in a struggling situation, then a verse like Jeremiah 29:11, which says, "For I know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Those are some of the verses that you can be able to really declare over your life, especially when you're in a difficult circumstance. How do you declare? Is by changing it and personalizing that verse and say, "Lord, I'm in this difficult situation, but I know that you have plans for me, plans to prosper me, plans to give me future and hope, and I will move out of this circumstance today or very soon." That's how you declare life over yourself. So grab this copy. It has good examples of how you can be able to declare, speak over yourself, speak over your circumstance, speak over your life, and you'll be blessed. So let me move into my declarations, and I hope you'll be able to grab the copy soon.